What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be joined by Blue Dragon Gaming. So, can you say hi? Say hi.
Hello.
And we are going to be playing some more Roblox. And today, we're going to be playing Be a Parkour Ninja. But we're just going to play it by itself. So I'm going to pause the video and I will put it back up when we're in the game. See you guys later. Right now, I'm going to just pause it. Alright guys, we're back and we are going to be playing some of this fabulous game we should be playing. Do you think we should play this? Yeah, I think we should. Okay, so guys, just look at me. Look at me. Bam, bam, bam. Oh my gosh. You know what, guys?
Hey, dude, I'm back.
Okay, the video is still going. Okay, so guys, we are still in Phantom Forces. Yes, even though I'm not. Oh my gosh! Superboy! Why do you keep getting me? Yes! Oh my gosh, you Superboy. We both killed each other. We both died and killed each other, Aiden. So weird. Okay, so guys,
Look what those guys keep on saying in general.
wait, in my Bed Wars rule thing?
No, in mine. You're a red guy?
Can you invite people to mine?
No.
Invite more people, please.
You wouldn't really join. This is messed up.
Just please, can you just invite people?
I guess I'll try, but I'll try.
Oh my gosh, just look at me. Yes, I finally got him. Oh, we both died at the same time this time. Instead of me saying Blue Dragon, guys, he was actually the Night Wolves. Okay, oh my gosh, I got him too. Okay. gosh. There we go. Oh wait, alright guys. Aiden, are you still there? Aiden, are you still there? Okay. Aiden, are you still there? Aiden, are you still there? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that subscribe button. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. See you guys. Dragon out. Just let's get this party started.